Hello class 5, welcome to the Mental Arithmetic class once again. So what we are going to do today, we are going to do exercise number 8. In the last class we have done exercise 5 and 6 and 7 was your homework. Many of you have not sent me and many of you have sent also. So today we are going to do exercise number 8. So let's get started and we are going to learn something new also. Now the first question was the HCF of 42 and 70 is dash. Now how do we find HCF? Do you know what is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. Now here say I have taken 42, right? So when we have to find what? Highest, which are the highest common and factor. Now firstly we have to find the factors. What are the factors of 42 and 70? For that, how do? We are going to break 42 into its factors. Then how are we going to do it? We are going to divide it accordingly. First let's divide it by 2. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 21 can be divided by 3, right? So 3 7s are 21. Now 7 can be divided by only 1 because it's a prime number. So let's multiply all the factors. 1 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now similarly we are going to do the 70. We are going to find out the factors of the 70. So firstly we can understand by this 70 can be divided by 7. It gives a 10. Then 5 2s are 10. When 2 is divided by 1, it gives a similar 2. Let's multiply the factors once again. 1 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now here, what are the common? Because we have found the factors. Now find the common. 1 is common, 2 is common, then 7 is common, right? So all these are the highest common numbers which are there. So HCF will be 1 into 2 into 7, right? So 7 into 2, 14, 14 into 1, 14. So the answer will be 14. Now coming to the number B. The LCM of 25 and 35 is dash. Now how do we find out the LCM? For that we have to follow the similar method almost. So when we are going to find out the LCM of 25 and 35, we will find out their factors first. So 25 is 5 into 5 into 1, right? And 35 is 5 into 7 into 1. Now here we will not consider only the common ones. We will consider how 5 is the common between 2. So we are going to take only 1 5 from here. And then we are going to multiply all of it. So LCM will be lowest common multiple, which will be 5 into 5 into 7 into 1. And after multiplying all this number, it will give a number of 175. So the LCM of 25 and 35 will be 175. Understand? Now coming to the number C. Here see, there are certain numbers given. Now we have to find out which are the bigger one, which are the smaller. Now whenever there is a small trick I am telling you, whenever you will see there is a number with a subtraction sign or minus sign before, that number will be smaller than the normal numbers, normal whole numbers, which will not have any kind of signs before them, like they are called the positive number. Normal 6 is called, in the number 1, 6 is the positive number because there is a silent plus in before it. Okay, so it is called positive number, and those numbers which are having minus before them, they are called negative numbers. Okay, that's why always the positive numbers are bigger than the negative number. So here who will be the bigger one? 6 will be bigger than the minus 6. In number 2, 3 will be bigger than minus 2. And in number 3, 10 will be bigger than minus 30. Understand? In this way we find out which are bigger and which are smaller. Now in number D, it says largest prime number less than 50 is what? So the largest prime number which is less than 50 means when we are starting from 1, when we are counting from 1 to 50, there the largest prime number, but it will be less than 50. So what that will be? That is 47. Why 47? Because 47, I have already told you in the previous class also, prime numbers are those numbers which can only be divided by 1. So 47s are 47 and they can be divided by themselves only. So 47, if 47 ones are 47 only. So 47 is the number. Now we are going to convert this number into improper fraction. For that reason, we have to know one small thing. Fraction, this kind of number, 19 3 by 11, 19 whole 3 by 11 is called mixed fraction. So what they are called? They are called mixed fractions. See, they are looking like mixed. 19 is written before, then 3 by 11. So they are the mixed fraction. Now, how do we convert it into improper fraction? So when we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, how do we do that? There is a trick. When we are going to multiply 19 with the 11, so 19 into 11, first two numbers from the lower one, we are going to multiply. Okay. Then after multiplying, we are going to add it with the numerator. That is the number which is lying in the upper position. So 19 into 11 plus 3. Okay. So upper condition or upper part is completed and the lower part, here we will keep the 11 intact. So after doing the calculation, what will come? Eventually 19 into 11 causes 209 plus 3, it gives 212 by 11, right? So the improper fraction will be 212 by 11. Okay. Now one thing always keep in mind, improper fraction will always have numerator bigger than the denominator. The lower number will be smaller than the uppercase. Now, number F says write 3 prime numbers after 61. Now you know what are the prime numbers, and after knowing the set of prime number, we can understand that after 61, what are the 3 prime numbers can lie after that? They are exactly after that lying 67, 71 and 73. Now you know what are the prime numbers. And the last one is how the 4 and 3 will be multiplied. So first we are going to multiply 4 with 4. So 4 4s are 16. And then we will multiply 3 with it. So 6 3s are 18, 3 and 4. So it finally gives a number of 48. Okay. So this is it for this class. Now I am giving you an homework of exercise 9 and 10. Only 2 exercises will be there for homework. So see you in the next class. Thank you.